Hi chefs of YouTube, what's going on, and welcome to Cook With Me.
You guys really seem to like the last part of caramelized onions, so I'm making a part 2. This is a bit more complex but not too hard. You can serve them on rice, like shown here, or just how you want. Without further ado, let's get caramelizing. For this recipe, you're going to need some water, a carrot, orange juice, agave syrup, some honey, of course onions, butter. The seasoning is going to be pepper, salt, sugar and turmeric. Now the tools we're going to use are this peeler to peel a carrot, this knife to chop things, 3 tablespoons and 1 pan. Don't forget to wash your hands before cooking. Now we want to chop this carrot, so first chop at the front and then the back. Then take your peeler and peel the carrot. You might ask why we are using turmeric. It's because it gives everything a nice yellow color. Next, take the peeler again to make nice thin strips of the carrot. If you're finished but there's still some bigger parts left, just chop those into small pieces or just eat them. Now put it all into a pile and chop them to really small pieces. They don't have to be even, but it's just important that they're small, so they aren't as dominant in the caramelized onions. Chop them a few times so that they're nice and small. When you're done with that, put it all into a bowl and set it off to the side. Okay, so we want to caramelize onions, but we got to peel them first, so whoosh, they're peeled. But something isn't right. Yes, we got to chop them, so chop them up. Very nice. Now they're chopped up just in half and then in little pieces. Quite easy. Now we got to put them in a bowl, like that, and season them with 2 tiny sugar spoons. Quite easy. Some pepper, just how you're feeling. And of course some salt. Now mix it all up so that every bit of seasoning touches every bit of onion. Okay, when you're done mixing, set it off to the side. When you've cleaned up your desk and set your onions to the side, take 1 teaspoon of butter and put it in your pan. Then turn your pan to medium heat. When the butter is melted, add the carrots. You can add your onions when they start sizzling in a bit. Now they started sizzling, so just add your onions. Listen to this sizzling. While this is sizzling, get your water in the glass and add some orange juice. Some turmeric, and some honey. When you've done your mixture, add 2 teaspoons of agave syrup to the onions. Stir it all around. Now you can add your yellow mixture. and stir some more. Now do a quick taste test. You've done your taste test, see if it's too mild or maybe not sweet enough. I personally would add some more agave syrup, but it's perfectly up to you. You could add some salt or pepper maybe. Now stir it all around until the onions start dissolving. Now add some water to your onions. We want to season them with salt and pepper now, but if you use some in the last step, don't use too much now. So add salt and pepper. Now you can stir it all around, and you can see it got quite a lot of moisture. You can do a taste test, and when you're happy with the taste, you can turn down the heat and let your onions cool down. Then take a bowl, put them in, just like that. I think these go quite well with rice or maybe curry, but you gotta try what works for you. Hope you have fun cooking, and bye!